In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change event visibility private/public. This is a quick way to control who can see the details of a specific event on your calendar, which is especially helpful when you want to keep personal information private or make important details accessible to your team or audience. Start on a computer using the desktop version of Google Calendar. Open your preferred web browser and go to your calendar. Make sure you're in the correct account, especially if you manage multiple calendars for work and personal use. Once you're in, locate the event you want to update on your calendar view. Click the event to open its quick preview, then select the edit option with the pencil icon. This opens the full event editor so you can adjust settings beyond the basics. If you double-click the event, that also takes you straight to this detailed view. Inside the event editor, look for the visibility setting. Depending on your layout, it may appear as a drop-down labeled Visibility or Default Visibility. Click it to open your options. Choose either public or private. Public means the event details, such as the title, time, and description, are visible to anyone who can already view this calendar. For example, if your calendar is shared with coworkers, they'll see the event information. If your entire calendar is set to be publicly accessible on the web, a public event's details may be visible there as well. Private, on the other hand, hides the event details from others. People who can see your calendar will typically just see that the time is busy, without any specifics like the title or description. This is a great choice for personal appointments or sensitive meetings. Note that in some work or school accounts, administrators may limit public visibility. If you don't see the public option, that's simply a policy set by your organization. After choosing the visibility that fits your needs, click Save. If this is part of a repeating series, you might be asked whether to apply the change to just this event or the entire series. Pick what makes sense for your situation. Once saved, your visibility choice takes effect immediately, and that's all there is to it. You opened Google Calendar on desktop, edited the event, selected the right visibility, and saved your changes. Using visibility thoughtfully helps you share what's necessary while keeping private details protected. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need to adjust an event's privacy.